Let's see how to change the orientation of a page in Microsoft Word. First off, you want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to change this page into a landscape format. And what that means is that it will have a longer width than length. So what we can do is head on over to the Layout tab. And right here under Page Setup, you'll see that you have the options to change your page margins, page orientation, page size, and if you want to divide your text into different columns. So to change the page orientation, simply click on the orientation right here, and you will have two choices. Either have it as portrait or in a landscape orientation. So if you want to change it into a landscape orientation, you can just go ahead and click on landscape right here. And as you can see, that has now turned our portrait document into a landscape orientation. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.